Welcome to Green Lotus Academy. In this video, we will provide hands-on SEO training on how to get on the first page of major search engines like Google, Bing, and YouTube. We will also help you kickstart your own SEO strategy and get an in-depth understanding of how you currently rank against your competitors on local or international search engines. There are 3 areas of SEO you should focus your energy on. Let's start with off-page SEO factors. These are all the factors that reside outside of your website. For example, the amount of backlinks pointing to your website, what is the quality of those backlinks, and what is the text used in those links. There's also reviews, and if you have any top quality backlinks coming from a .gov or a .edu websites. The second pillar we call on-page SEO factors. And this is all have to do with the content of your website, how optimized it is. Are you using relevant keywords? Are you publishing frequently? Is the metadata of your website is optimized? You don't have any duplicate title tags or meta descriptions. And also the overall of your site structure, your performance, and the user experience of your website. All of these factors we call on-page SEO factors. The third pillar is we call other. And this have to do with the location of your hosting, the domain history, the security, and the site citation, and a lot other factors. But among those 3 factors, which one is the most important factor? Based on my experience, off-page factor is the most important one. Sometimes we refer to it as authority. So Google will not rank a website on the first page unless they think it's a top authoritative or very high quality website. Second comes on-page factors, which have to do with how relevant is your website content on optimizations to your potential client search query. Is your website relevant to what your potential clients are searching for? And last and least important is the other factors. But among those 3 pillars, which one you should start with? You should always start with on-page factors. Google is not going to rank a website that is broken or have missing title tags or duplicated meta descriptions. You have to fix all of this stuff first before you start thinking about building backlinks. Backlinks is the most important factors of SEO, but it always comes as a second stage to empower what you already done on your on-page factors. The third one is the other. And this is when we get to the nitty-gritty and the most technical stuff of SEO, but you should always first take care of your on-page SEO factors, then your off-page SEO factors. Those are the most 2 important pillars when it comes to ranking on the first page of major search engines like Google, Bing, or YouTube. Now, let's get started with the hands-on training. You can start your Green Lotus Tools free trial by going to greenlotustools.com. The trial is free and there is no credit card required. Let's get started with how to use Green Lotus Do-It-Yourself checklist to build your SEO strategy and track results. By tracking results, you can optimize your SEO strategy on an ongoing basis. The DIY checklist is the overall plan of your search engine optimization and marketing strategy, listed in priority. Your most important task is to prioritize your time and focus your effort and marketing budget where it matters the most. So let's take a look. To find the do-it-yourself SEO checklist, you can always go to the project overview, and here it is. If you can't find it on the project overview, you can always add it as a widget. And this is how it's done. You click on Add Widgets, and you will find it towards the bottom. right here. You click on Add Widget, and then you go back to the project overview. You can always customize the view and pull and place widget as you find suitable for you. There are 8 categories of tasks. Within these 8 categories, there are more than 200 detailed SEO tasks for you. When you click on one of those tasks, you will see a detailed description of what the task you should accomplish, and also give you a link to the tool that you should use to accomplish this task. Once you accomplish the task, you check it, and the tools will timestamp it for you. And as you can see, this is the overall plan of your SEO strategy. So every time you come back to the do-it-yourself checklist, you know what you've done and you know what you need to do next. As you can see, it shows you a percentage of completion of each of those categories. Green Lotus tools have more than 35 tools. And to help you navigate those tools, we have separated them in 4 areas. The first area we call the site audit, or as we refer to it as the on-page SEO factors. In here, you can find tools to help you do keyword research or spying your competitor to find what they are optimizing for. For example, it will show you the keyword, the search volume globally and locally, and also the search trend of these keywords. You can also find how to optimize your internal links, also perform technical audits where you can find the most important errors on your website, and we also track it over time. Green Lotus tools keep the data for 12 months to show you the impact of your SEO over time. In addition, you can perform some on-page SEO optimization and find out your overall SEO score, which will help you determine the overall impact of your SEO strategy on your website. Also, you can use Green Lotus tools to generate your site map. The second area we call link building, or as we refer to off-page SEO factors. In here, you can find the quality of your backlink profile and the overall performance of your link building campaign. You can track how many links have you gained recently and what type of links are pointing to you. You can also find the competitor link profile to evaluate who is winning and who is losing in which areas when it comes to off-page SEO factors. Here's an apple to apple between our client ExploreNet and his top competitors Rogers, Storm, and Bell. Using these factors, you will be able to determine where you're winning and where you're losing. You can also find if you have any toxic backlinks that might be harming your website. Within the link building area, you can choose to track certain backlinks that you have built, or to use the content submission area to submit your website to local and search engine directories across the web. The third area we call social analytics. Here you can find the buzz around your brand name on the web or on Twitter. Here you can find the top liked and retweeted Twitter post about your brand. Within the social engagement tools, you can find your competitor's social citation, which will show you who is winning on which social platform. So you can monitor your social citation on Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Within the social analytics tools, you can connect your Facebook to Green Lotus tools to save yourself time and import all the important data and metrics right here under one umbrella. The last area we call marketing analytics. Here you will find all the reports that you could ever wish for. Let's start with our most powerful tool. Here you can check your ranking and your competitor ranking on different search engines from different locations and on different devices. You can also track your ranking on YouTube. Here you can understand the overall trend of your ranking against your competitors, and also understand how many keywords are ranking on the first position or on the first page or on the first 2 pages and so on. You can also see at a glance how many keywords moved up or dropped in position or unchanged. Under the marketing analytics, you can also connect your Google Analytics to the tools so you can quickly find relevant information about traffic coming from Google or Bing or other search engines, all under one umbrella. You can dive into and understand your traffic by country or city or the effectiveness of that traffic. You can also connect your Google Search Console to Green Lotus tools to understand the top queries, pages, or countries that are sending you traffic. We have also grouped all the competitor metrics under one umbrella in here under the competitor metrics to find all the ways you can spy on your competitors easily. Green Lotus aims to get you lots of data and information under one umbrella to save you time and effort. We know SEO is a time-consuming task, but we want to simplify it and help you manage your time more effectively. Now that you have had a bit of introduction on how Green Lotus SEO tools work, please feel free to look around and discover the wealth of information available to you. Do not be overwhelmed, because we will be with you every step of the way and provide you with more SEO hands-on training videos, blogs, and helpful tips. At Green Lotus, we believe in empowering entrepreneurs and marketing professionals to succeed online. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training, please feel free to reach out to our support team.